So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically sign up and enroll in Android 17. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic, doesn't really take too much time, but you will have to have a phone that is supported on Android 17. So keep that in mind, not every single phone is going to be supported there. Now, if you are able to go through and have a beta installed of some sort, what you're going to want to do is on Google on your Android phone, you want to go ahead and search up Enroll Android 17 Beta. Now we're going to want to go ahead and find this Google page right over here that will basically go ahead and basically kind of suggest to us of kind of what to do. So we can tap on here and you want to sign in with the same exact Google account that you have on your phone that's supported. So make sure that's the case. Then you can tap on view your eligible devices. So I can tap here and it shows Android beta, stuff, and it says before you enroll. It'll let you know exactly what to do before you enroll. I would not recommend installing the beta, but the choice is up to you. And then you can start to see the devices you can go ahead and opt into. So here I have my Google Pixel 8. You want to tap onto the opt-in option. After opting in, what you want to do is you want to now download the update. So what we can do is scroll over into our settings application right over here. Then we can go through and basically jump right into our software update panel. So we can find our software update panel right over here under system. And then we can go and tap onto software updates right at the very top. And then we can update our particular device. And that's another thing we can basically do. So you'll see that Android 17 update. And then at that point, you should be able to go ahead and see that update. And then you can go through and basically update your phone from that point. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.